On my way to go look at our room for rent. I don't know if my shirt's too revealing. I think it's just the angle. But should be like, it's a really nice rainy day, Cuff. Rainy day, Cuff. Stop. No. 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 Cuff. No. Hey! I won that little elf on a shelf in the claw machine. You just threw her at me. I'm glad I caught that on camera. Where are we? Where are we? I just got to Mummy's house. And Cuff thinks she's coming in. But we're just picking up the mumsy. The mums. Oh, that was quite the puddle. That was quite. So, I did end up getting my tattoo today, and it is awesome. It's like all wrapped up, but it turned out amazing. Like, Eli, I'll eat the beeps. Come here. You want your samples? Or Eli, I don't think this is even going to be good for you, because as much as they claim to be the best cat food, that first ingredient is turkey meal. Like, what the fuck? Turkey meal, not even turkey. Not even turkey, Cuff. Eli, you deserve the finest. Little weirdos. So, it's about almost 24 hours since I got my tattoo. It turned out pretty good. It's time for me to clean up. And then I always use the front camera, so this is kind of weird. I am going to Marysville. I'm gonna go to Costco first to get some dog food because my friends got dog food. And it's Sunday, so things might close early. I'm gonna get there by 6. Don't know if shit's gonna close. Don't know if fuck life. Alright. I'm gonna go to I don't know why she doesn't just be a normal dog and just meet Papa's here.
Yeah, I waited there so fucking long.
You like my selfie stick?
Fucking cops pulled up and asked me what I was doing.
Did they really?
Yeah, I said one of the neighbors.
Shush! Hey! Fuck you up.
Are you recording me?
Yeah. Look at my selfie stick.
Oh god, it's a selfie stick.
Okay, so...
Bea, let's get her there. Bea, here.
Hey! Bea!
Bea, go there.
Bea, no! Hey!
Bea, you can go outside and fight. Bea, listen to me or I'll kick your ass.
In it. Then when you get to a certain speed, the motor kicks in. And then you give it the gas and you go off.
That's funny. I need a turn, but it said buses only. What the fuck? Okay, I hate...
Yeah, you just go all the way
Go
straight down. You'll get to the
Ivers.
waterfront down here. It's,
Oh god, this road.
shit.
My windshield is really dirty.
You see mine as a cigarette smoke film.
Oh no, it is going. Well, I don't know, I can't tell. My eyes are playing tricks on me. Hello. I am in Seattle. We're gonna go eat Ivers right over there. Just gotta go pay for parking. And yeah. It's raining only a little bit. Let's go, let's get girl. Let's go flow. Let's go flow. Tough.
Hi. You are so cute. 2473, please. What's your dog's name?
Cuffla?
What?
Cuffla?
Cuffla?
Yeah. Oh, we are back. I think I'm just gonna sleep all night. What do you say, Cuff? Flip her back. Have the window open in case Eli wants to come back in. I think I'm just gonna sleep all night.